that the camera got behind you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today the Colonial Boston Freeze is now being put up, okay, with the supervision and expert teaching of my partner here, my PIC, my PIC, stands for what? You guys know what PIC stands for? What PIC stands for? Partner in crime. Okay, and check it out. Look at these awesome questions they're asking.
Can I use the staple taker outer thingy? Can I?
Yeah, do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you like how the way I formed the hills?
Let's look. Let's take a little tour of the hills. And when you look at the hills, I don't know if you noticed this, but there's one flower. Only one. I have a question about that.
I'm making wolves!
And show me your hands literally getting dirty while working. And what part of the freeze are you guys working on?
The roads.
The road? Now look at that, folks.
Yeah. You guys need help?
2 hours later.
So, what is tutorial time? Well, tutorial time is a time for students to work on any unfinished work. It's a time for them to work together and collaborate with their peers. It's a time for them to work on pretty much anything and get also teacher help to help them in their learning. That is tutorial time. And as you can see, I have 2 students already coming over here to ask for some help.
Yo.
So you want to say anything to the thousands of people that watch this vlog?
Well, this class is awesome. Happy to be here. Helping out some kids with some current events.
Current events, folks, and we have Emmy and we have Pranathi. They are engaged in a pretty interesting article about, basically, you guys want to share what's the article about?
It's about, in 2050, then there's going to be more plastic in the world than fish.
More plastic than fish? Do you think that's even possible? What do you think? Do you believe the article? Do you think it's going to be more plastic? Are we going to call it Plastic Ocean?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Instead of the Arctic Ocean.
Instead of the Arctic Ocean, we have Plastic Ocean. Oh, jeez. Oh, hello.
Slenderman's robot.
Are you watching or are you making something? I hope you're making something.
Hello.